So today is supposedly our last day here at New Bedford, and tomorrow we're going to go through the Buzzard Bay Canal and over to across the Cape Cod Canal, or Cape Cod Bay, I guess, to Provincetown. We're excited to kind of pop in there for a day or so, and then we're going to head all the way up to Maine. I'm Brooke, and this is Brayden. We have 2 kids and 2 dogs, Rooney, Penn, Fraser, and Captain. At 75 tons and 55 feet long, our home is different. With time being non-renewable and our home being, well, movable, around the world we go as we roam to know. Welcome aboard Mermaid Monster.
There's another dead fish out there.
That's crazy.
Can you believe it? This one's
I think this bird's threatening us.
This one, the belly is completely gone. Only the belly.
Gross. We'll film it.
Alright, let's go see. Let's go see what that looks like.
There's a thing that I got on my mind. How the world's making people go blind. Solitary, ordinary, don't sit well with my gut.
Can you guys believe there's another dead fish?
I never so many dead fishes.
Why do you guys think there's so many dead fish?
Thank you.
Why is there so many dead fish?
We have a pet seagull that drops dead fish on the boat with no eyeballs because it eats the eyeballs.
Why does it eat eyeballs?
I don't know. Probably it likes eyeballs.
Today we are leaving for Buzzard Bay Canal. We're going to Buzzard Bay Canal today, which is like a 7-mile stretch, I think. You have to plan it with the current, because when you have a boat that goes like 8 knots, 7 knots, you need to make sure that you're going with the current or it'd be pretty brutal. So we are gonna go take the kids to the park, come in, put the tender up on deck, and head out.
Every month spending every last dime, feeling like I'm just stuck in rewind. Need a change before I break, so dumb, but I just wanna be someone. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. You're my worst enemy, but I just wanna be a millionaire, a millionaire. 18 karat stuff just to feel it. Pretty diamond rocks 'cause I need it. God, it's killing me, but I just wanna be a millionaire.
You ready to go today?
Yes. Is that normal?
Yes.
That sounds a little bit sick. I can never turn this one on. It's like a long press, but I'm always too long.
It's not a long press. I think that's your problem.
Well, like that.
Okay.
Oh, I did it. That.
Yeah. Alright, now you want to start the engines?
You always forget the radios.
No, I'm not the one turning it on. You are.
$16, $13. Now the engines. Work! Work! You have to work today. No dying on us. Engines can't die today.
Wanna be someone. Wanna be someone. Wanna be someone. Don't we all wanna be someone?
New Bedford was kind of a town that we came in on a gloomy day. There's parts of it that are very industrial, and we didn't think much of it when we came in, but we spent over a week and a half here, not because we didn't like it, because it was incredibly convenient and quite charming after you kind of got to know the area a little bit. There was a lot of tennis courts, a lot of parks, a lot of playgrounds, The downtown New Bedford area is very quaint with some really good food, really good clam shack. They had a really like clam chowder. And the kids, I think, had a lot of fun. Everything is, you can dinghy anywhere. And if you want to ride your bike to the West Marine, you can do that too. It's about a mile away, not that far. Behind us, right here, right there, that's hard to do. Right there, you have Dave and Gethin's yacht. It's around like 350 feet and incredibly big. It sleeps 16 passengers with 45 crew. If you look at the guest list of that boat, everyone's been on that boat. Everyone in Hollywood or any big political figures have been on that boat as well. And that is also the boat that started the Instagram firestorm about him isolating on that boat, and everyone said how insensitive he is for posting that during a time.
Analytical thinking. For us, that is solving problems with the mindset that there is, in fact, multiple solutions, but learning how to choose the best one that works for your family, now that is where the tricky part comes in. Making a float plan for our family is not as simple as picking a place and going. We consider many things when making plans, such as weather, length of the cruise, how everyone's feeling, amenities upon arrival, such as Wi-Fi, work, upcoming meetings, events, workload for me, access to groceries, parks, trails, post office, while still leaving time for Braden's work meetings, school for the kids, and time for me to not only shoot, but also edit videos like these. So when people in passing casually ask us how boat life is, I find myself answering with the most elaborate form of organized chaos you will ever willfully encounter. We need some serious water, so Braden just went down to turn on the water maker, which makes about like 40 gallons an hour. So we've got 600-gallon water tank. Do the math. We need to run it for a good chunk of time to refill our water tank.
Made it. Provincetown, right behind us. It was an easy day. Nothing eventful happened. Perfect. You made it, guys. Was it an easy trip?
Which gum do you want?
It's fun.
G5? Okay, press G.
G.
5.
5 is up.
5 right here.
Yay! That's, Mom, want me to show you how much pen has? Pendant one. Pendant carries spend that.
Why do you have so much money? What are we doing today?
Dollar store.
Going to the dollar store for the first time.
It's good.
Guys, where are we?
A dollar store.
The dollar store. Are we doing a lesson on money today for school?
I'm looking for some extra.
Okay, good luck.
Oh, money. 10.
I gave them $10, so we'll see what they come up with for $10.
And here's
Okay,
a
what
bunch
did you
of
choose?
pieces.
Got 10 things in there?
Mm-hmm.
Got 10 things?
I got 11 like that.
Okay.
It's not being like that. This is the cheapest store in the world.
Yeah? Do you love it?
Yes. Mama? Well, this is $1, so I can't. Mom, I actually can't get this.
You think so?
No, because it's $1.
Okay.
No, I can't get this.
Okay, we'll see. Put your stuff on the counter. You might need to spot them some change. Do you have any?
Mom, I can get those because I stole one more buck left.
Okay. Okay, hand her the 10. I gotta get the change for you, buddy. Being a homeschool parent doesn't always look like normal school. My biggest advice for parents looking at homeschooling their kids in the coming years is to not try to bring their old school into your home. Find your way of teaching your children in your home. That is, after all, the point of homeschool.
I'm at the dollar store.
The first time at your dollar store, and this is one of the things you chose, is curlers.
Yeah,
What are you gonna, why are you curling your hair? For what occasion?
We're in the dollar store right now.
Are you $1?
No.
How many dollars do you cost?
No, look, there's,
Say priceless.
look at there's the toys right here.
That's very cute.
No, we bought this boat at the $1 store.
The $1 store. I like how they call it that.
Boat
It's
was,
not the dollar store, it's the $1 store.
this boat is all $1. We bought this
Dad
at the
wishes.
dollar store.
Yes.
That would be great.
But and we bought everything on this boat $1. Yeah. Everything in the woods is $1. I wish it
I
was.
Cute, guys.
Okay, let's go to bed, okay?
Hello?
Good night. Let's see it. Let's see your hair. You got your curlers. Let's see the back. Oh, that's so pretty. You look like a Disney princess. Oh, it smells so good. Doing sweet potatoes, onion, chicken. We've got there's another Nord oven out there. I guess you can't see it yet. Ah, in the distance. Dad just got the tender down. We've clothes drying. We're anchored. P-Town's out there. We'll probably go check it out in a little bit. We made it.
I wanna be someone.
As always, thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, give us a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. We'll see you all next week.
We all wanna be someone.